Good morning. It's your girl Nikki Trades here. What's good? What's going on? Good morning, good morning. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. It's been a minute, guys. But it's okay. We good. Honestly, I'm just throw this out there. Like, I just found that I trade better in private. But that goes to when it comes to streaming on YouTube. But I can still at least post videos for you guys, so I'm still working on that. I just started on YouTube maybe like 4 or 5 months ago, and also it's tentative. Like, you have to be consistent. You have to, you know what I'm saying, if you really want to be about this life, you really have to be. It's like everything you do, you gotta be like, okay, I gotta put my camera out. And I just haven't really been able to grab that concept. But we here. I'm gonna try to upload this today. Hopefully it's a W. But welcome to the channel. Nikki Trades here. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. So yeah, it's not really much of nothing so far. Nothing. But your girl has been busy. I do have a funded account. I have 3 funded accounts, but I have to pay for 2. And I'm trying to get these 2 funded, so I have a total of 5 accounts. I did lose $388 for Asian session, but it's all good. I used proper risk management. It was an A+ setup, just didn't play out. That's why I'm a little kind of skeptical on trading this morning. There is news at 10, so I'm trying to see if there's going to be a 9:45, 9:50 entry. It's 9:32, so the market just opened. But as you can see, it had a little structure moving up, but now it is starting to barcode. And that's just what I've noticed just in general when it comes to the markets. I really wasn't really going to trade. It's like, I don't know. It's like I really want to trade something else, like US 30 or something, because I just feel like Nas might play around, because it played around for Asian session last night. I mean, there is medium impact news at 10, but it's like I just feel like, see what it's doing there? I don't really like the way it's moving. But it's like, I feel like US 30 basically doing the same thing. So it's like, this is when the indices, I mean, like the Forex pairs come in. I'm kind of keep that on my back pocket, because you already see the way it's freaking moving. It's just don't even, I don't want to trade it. Might trade gold. Let me see. Oh, gotta go to the 15. I'm like, why is it so far away? This would have been a beautiful Asian, London setup, because it took out, the Asian high. SMT's right there. Pretty sure it was a fair value gap here on the 15, so this could have been a nice little drop, you know. It just took out London lows here. It's about to take Asia lows. So I think I might commit to trading gold today. It's just looking better for me. Because you got London high, and it took out the London low just now. And we have Asian low. It took out the previous daily high. It's been an uptrend though. I think it's just now starting to. All these old. The drop might be previous daily low. So yeah, I think I might trade gold today. Already been on here for 2 hours. Yo, so I'm back. Alright, yo. It's the end part of the video. I just wanted to show you guys why I got in the trades that I got in, because everything went by so fast, but I had some music that was on, so it was kind of messing up with everything, so I couldn't really put the voice on my voice because the music was loud. I didn't know it was loud. So yeah, so here we go. So let me go to trading view. Like I said in the beginning, I really wasn't looking for, oh shucks, I have to pay for trading view. It's cool, I'll do it today. I'll do it later on. But anyway, so I traded gold today. Because I just felt like gold was just gonna be, NAS was gonna play around all day. You know what I'm saying? Like it I just felt like gold was gonna play so much today. NAS was gonna play so much. Because I traded Asian session last night. Asian session was trash. So it's just a random, I don't know why I have like a random long lock. So just don't pay no mind to that. But yeah, so I decided to trade gold today. It looked way better than NAS did, but NAS just ended up trending for the rest of the day, like completely. Like you couldn't really get in. If you did, you had to already been in from like 6, 7. Pardon, my goddaughters and my niece. They are just getting out of school. So yeah, they're on 10 right now. But yeah. So came into the chart. So I marked down a London high. Basically, to see what highs was taken out. You already know, if you trade ICT Concepts, you already know what it is. Yeah, so I saw that it took Asia highs. I was like, oh, okay, and it already had took the previous daily high at the time. Or was that GU? Because I looked at GU a little bit. Oh no, okay, what the time? Yeah, right before Asia session. So it took out the previous daily high and took the Asia high. So I'm pretty sure it had it's what SMT, boom, 15 minute. It's a beautiful drop to come down Asia low. If would have held this from London, oh my god, that would have been beautiful. A beautiful drop, just all day of just eating all day. So I marked all my levels on a 15 minute and I scaled down to like the 2 minute. And I saw around 9:45, the 9:50 macro, that there was a 2 minute fair value gap here, right? So I had marked it out, and I was like, well, I'm gonna see. It took, when price took out Asia low, the way it rejected off of it, it just really looked like it wanted to continue to kind of take out. At the time, I thought it was going to go ahead and take out the London high, So when I got in here, this was my position, as you guys saw on the video. I think I had my stop loss here. I didn't want to, take it all the way down here. I just wanted to, go here. It's more than likely, if it comes under here, it's going to go ahead and just continue to move down like it did here, and it ended up pulling back and then dropping. So I was kind of targeting this high here. It didn't quite get there, but like it had this huge push up I made a mistake and I was trying to take a partial off. And when you're in partials, you're supposed to put sell. I put buy. So I ended up adding another contract, and then it moved my entry up. So I was like, oh man. So, but it was a perfect, beautiful reaction off of the 2 minute right here. If you can see where that was at. Yeah, it was right here. I want to show all my executions because I was struggling a little bit to find a good entry. So here we are right here. As you guys can see my executions there. This was the 2 minute right here. So I had my tool here. What time is it? I have to pick my sister up at 5:30. Alright, so I had my stop loss around there. I was aiming for this high. So I got in 4 contracts. Boom. I ended up adding another contract. Where is it? I can't really see. It's just a lot going on. But yeah, so I ended up getting another contract by mistake, and then it started to come down, so I just went ahead and got out here. And by that time I realized it was okay, it's gonna go with the trend. It's gonna go with the trend. And they do not have my, I don't know what's going on with Top Step when they have the templates. I have templates for like my horizontal lines and all of that, my rectangles. None of it is saved. So when I traded on my phone earlier, because I had lunch with my sister. I was on my phone earlier, and that's when I had caught this trade right here. I caught this sell. It's like when I came back to the charts on here, everything just got deleted. So anyway, neither here nor there. But I was struggling. But anyway, I ended up getting in here. I think, yeah, I had got in sales here, and then that's when it kind of came up. So I was like, okay, I went ahead and got out. So then as soon as I got out, it dropped. This candle just boom drops. I'm like, bruh, if I would have waited one more minute or a few seconds, I would have caught that drop. So I'm like, okay, whatever. So I'm gonna try to catch it if it pulls back. It never really pulled back. I think I was looking at the 1 minute. I was looking at the 1 minute. It never really pulled back into this fair value gap here, but it ended up pulling back in here, in this one. So that's when I had got it. That's my niece. She just comes in. Okay, let me tell you something. Sorry about that. My niece, she just comes in. She doesn't knock. I know because she's a kid. But I train my goddaughters knock before you come in. You never know what could be going on up in here. You feel me? But anyway, so I ended up getting in this trade right here because I noticed it was a downtrend. I kind of want to go ahead and put my moving averages back on here because I had a 13. I had a 13, 51, and then a 200. Always have to have a 200, bro. If you don't have nothing else, you always have to have a 200 EMA. So you'll know the trend of the market. I believe the 51 is red, if I'm not mistaken. I hope. Yeah, because it's crossing down. Okay, yeah, I think that's good. Okay, so yeah, by that time, all the moving averages were crossed. It's like another confluence or PDO rate or whatever you want to call it. It's another confluence for me to get in the position. So the MA's crossed here. It was underneath the 200. So I'm like, oh yeah, boom, I'm getting in sales here. I got in on 5 contracts, boom. And I just got out here. Now, I could have held, but when this candle right here was going up, I like, nope, just went ahead and got out. And then it ended up pulling back and then dropping deeper. So I could have got, originally I was trying to get like 2,000 out of this trade, but I ended up getting 960 at the time. Ended up being 960, which is cool. Because profit is profit, because as you guys saw, I was in drawdown like $499, like almost $500. And I was already in drawdown from agent session, negative $388. So yeah, so I got in there. So I was at 960. I was like, dang, it's finally flipping. So let me get in. Let me go ahead and hop in buys real quick. basically what I had caught here. Then I had caught this, as you guys can see. I think I was on the 2 minute, I believe. I had my it was this candle was coming down. Yeah. So that's basically the breakdown of the trade. Our trade, ICT Concepts, basically it had already taken a low. It already taken the Asian low. This was my first trade. I showed you guys all my other trades. It already took the low, so it's like once a low or a high is taken, for me, that's like free reign to find entries. You see a SMT, or you see a displacement, or you see a market structure, market structure shift, and and you go just try to find an entry. So that's basically what I did, and ended up playing out, and it ended up coming down here, breaking it again, and then coming right back up here. Let me see, what time was that? Yeah, this was around that 110 to 140 macro. I don't think like that's actually an ICT time, because when I downloaded this indicator, it basically just points out all the macros, and when I kind of back tested it, and it's pretty legit. So I traded around this time when it had went up. So yeah, that's pretty much the breakdown on my trades for today. I don't think I did not. I just cut everything out. Like I said, my music was on. Please pardon them. They are wilding right now. But yeah, so I'm trading on one account right now, one funded account. I have two accounts that I'm copy trading right now. So, hold on a second. Alright, I forgot where I left off exactly. But, yeah. So, yeah, basically, I'm trying to get all 5 accounts. I have 1 now, 2. Trying to pass these 2 by the end of the week. And then I'll show the 2 that I'll be paying for. Yeah, I know it's around the time. It's 5:49. And these 2 accounts right here is what I have to pay to activate. So I'll have those 2. I have 1. And then I'm trying to get these funded. So that's basically my goal right now. I'm trying to tag you guys along on this journey. It's been a long time coming, and I'm just laser focused right now. I'm like tremendously laser focused on the reason why I'm trading on this funded account is because I want to use the funds from this to activate those accounts, because that'll be 4 accounts that I'll have to activate. That's $600. So yeah, I think I can, I'm gonna try to make like 3,500 and leave 500 in there, so I have 2,500, because you have to have that $2,000 buffer in there, and then I'll take out 1,000, and then go ahead and pay for everything, and yeah, I'll be good to go. My goal is to also get max out on Take Profit Trader, get 5 accounts with them, and get the 3 accounts with my funded futures. And then I think that's it. That's the only futures prop firms that I'm looking into right now. I don't really want to have too much going on, but I think if I have those 3 to start off with, that'll be great. And then of course, like, I'll use the funds from once I get all of those funded. Then my goal is to make between 10 to like 20K a month, and then I'll be able to put money in an actual live account, because the goal is not to be trading with these prop firms. These prop firms are changing each and every day. They're changing rules. They're, always doing something, changing something up. So at the end of the day, you want to have freedom with your own money to be able to trade with your own money and be consistent and be, a profitable trader. And that's just what it's all about. Being a trader is just about having the freedom. It's not so much of being greedy. That's a whole nother video that I want to do. So yeah, that's a whole nother video that I want to do, trading with my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Doing a video about that, because it's very rare that you see traders talk about the Lord. I know Justin Werlein does. He's a big trader. Jeremy Cash. I think that's about it. ICT as well. I did not know he was a believer, so thank God for that. So yeah, so that's the goal, you guys. I want to try to be consistent as much as I can. I'm going to go ahead and get back in rotation, recording my trades, me trading and everything like that, recording the losses, because that's the reason why I created this channel, is to show like the true journey, a realistic version of a trader just really want to be successful at the end of the day. It's about being successful and seeing the real behind the scenes, and really seeing the struggle and stuff like that. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Be on the lookout for the next video. Yeah, peace.